I'm ready to love you forever, forever. Hey y'all, what's going on?
Listen, we've been gone for a minute, but we back.
Gone for a minute, but I'm back with the jump ball. Gone for a minute, and I'm back with the... Now listen, y'all. I know we was gone for a little minute, but don't you think for 1 minute that we was sleeping. We've been working.
That's right, y'all. We've been working every day, every night. Okay.
We took a a lightweight break, but we are definitely back, and we actually got a new community now. Okay, so I got All for Mighty Networks. Now we're on to the school community. I love my new community, and we will be launching the new community on Black Friday.
That's right, you guys. You heard it first. Black Friday.
Also, stay tuned for more episodes of Surviving the Cleaning Industry and Candid Cleaning Conversations. Okay, so best believe
you see how you
I gotta be dramatic, you know. She be doing it to me, okay? Because she had me drinking a little something before I got on the camera and everything.
Y'all don't know Miss Johnson outside the hours. You see how you did it? And so I did it.
Anyway, listen, y'all. So on this video, we are going to be talking about, we got a nice little video for y'all. We talking about
y'all. It is
red flags. 3 red flags that you guys need to pay attention to when you are doing a walkthrough.
That's right. Y'all be asking so many questions about what to say on a walkthrough to actually seal the deal. Stop being so hungry. Like, it's a good thing to be hungry, but you don't want to be too hungry to the point where you're not paying attention to see if it makes sense. Okay.
Yes, because all money not good money. We know that.
Period.
So let's talk about some things that they need to look out for. Some red flags, and I'm only talking from our experience. Okay. So one red flag I would say is what?
Fast talker.
A fast talker.
Yes.
Pay attention when you're doing these walkthroughs, and baby boy is just blah 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 blah, 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 like he kind of fast talking the whole thing. You know, I don't really like a fast talker. Slow that shit down and explain it to me in layman terms.
Right. I need to understand, what do we have to do? Like, just because you've been here for 20 years doesn't mean I'm supposed to be able to walk into here and understand it like today.
Yeah, the other cleaners, they don't do this and they don't do that. And yeah, I also want this done right here and then over there. And then that little room back there. You ain't got to walk back there. Don't worry about it. Just come on over here. And then we're going to go up there and then we're going to walk up here. And then shit, go, wait a minute.
Sound like one of them auction people.
Wait a minute. Okay. So, fast talking. Tell them to slow it down. Reiterate if you don't understand.
That's
okay.
True.
Next is unrealistic expectations. So we did a walkthrough on a medical facility, huge, upstairs, downstairs. And you know what really scares me when I do a walkthrough and the place is clean? You know, I mean, it appears to be pretty damn clean. But the person that's doing the walkthrough is devastated. He is like, oh, they are just the worst cleaners. He's bad talking his cleaners, saying that they're the worst cleaners in the world. And the things that he's pointing out is really like, sounding like a deep clean to me. You know, It doesn't really sound like, you know, a general type of situation.
Right. Can they really get this done like on a daily basis? Like,
right. And I'm thinking if they're going to nitpick like that and the place is already clean and they're like, oh, look at this little piece of fucking string right here. Oh, the cleaners. Can you believe it? Like, crickets. You know what I mean? Like, those are some of the things that we look for. Unrealistic expectations.
Right. And another one, you guys, is people that are undecisive and they really don't know what they want. So we actually did another walkthrough on another location, and the client, well, I'll tell you this, they didn't have the person that was in the decision maker. We actually did a walkthrough with someone who's not a decision maker, and they're like, well, I'm not sure if they want you to clean this or not, or, well, you may have to clean this, or, well, you know what? I'm not quite sure. So now that tells me that you really don't know what we're supposed to be cleaning or what we should not be cleaning. So that's going to be confusion. And then there's going to be problems because you don't really know the scope of work.
And we have to have a clear communication on what the scope of work is.
Right.
Okay. And the person that's doing the walkthrough needs to know what the hell is going on. I hate doing walkthroughs with the middleman.
Right.
And he kind of sort of know what's going on. I think that we're supposed to do this. I don't know. You might have to. No, baby. No, baby.
I need to know what it is.
We need to know exactly what it is so that we can quote this thing the way it's supposed to be quote. Okay. So with that being said, those are our 3 things. Remember, fast talkers, stay away from them fast talkers. Tell them to slow it down. Speak layman terms so I can understand what you're talking about.
Right. Them people that be complaining about their past cleaners over and over again. Okay, something ain't right. Because if you complain about them cleaners so much, what make it so perfect right now? It ain't even dirty.
And then also unrealistic expectations. They want you to do all of this work in this short time frame, and it's just the math not mathing. Listen, remember, all money is not good money, y'all. It's not. Okay? Well, with that being said, we are out of here. See y'all on the next episode.
Peace.